If the admin has sent an invoice to the parent and the parent hasn't opted for an automated transaction, so in the all invoices page in the table, the parent will be able to see the invoice that has been sent to them. The status of those invoice would be pending. So the parent can click on the invoice ID. They would be taken to the invoice details page. And here at the bottom right, there's a button called proceed to pay. The parent will click on that. They would be able to view the details, the amount. They can select the card with which they want to do the payment. Once they click on pay now, you can see that the payment has been successful. Now, in the payment methods from the sidebar, you can see that there's a checkbox called opt in for automated transaction. So because this parent had this box unchecked, so the parent would have to manually review the invoices and pay for them. Every time the admin sends an invoice to them, they would need to manually pay for them. But in case the parent clicks on this checkbox, so what's going to happen is from now on, if the admin sends an invoice to the parent, so those invoices would be automatically paid by the default card that the parent has saved. So since you can see that this is the default card, so if the admin generates an invoice and they send it to this family, so the payment would automatically be processed using this card. In case the parent has any of the credit balance, you can see that in the all invoices, you can see that this parent currently, they don't have any credit balance. In case they had any credit balance, so the invoice would partly be paid via credit and partly by the remaining balance which is there, that will be paid by the card. So if the parent has selected this, then all the payments for the invoices would be automated. In case the parent unselects this, then what's going to happen? The parent would need to manually pay for all the invoices. And whatever new invoices are generated, those would come under pending status.